Welcome. Today I'm going to be driving this 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280SL, also known as Pagoda. Look at this car. Sorry, a little bit of bad light and it's very, very hot in this car park. So this car is going for a roadworthiness test. It was actually originally registered here in Hong Kong. Went off to the UK and it's just got back. So I'm actually going to drive this, put some plates on it, drive it and take it for its test. Now, it doesn't have aircon, it's a very hot day, so I'm probably going to be sweating a lot, so just be aware of that. So here we go today, and we are taking this Pagoda to roadworthiness test, and got about a 20-minute drive ahead of me. Now this car, 1969,
GPS signal lost.
280SL, in stunning condition, manual gearbox. Now, I know I keep saying now, I've dealt with a few of these in Hong Kong over the years. Still surprises me that these were so technologically advanced, really, back in the 60s. I mean, all versions from 63, the 230SL, had power steering, had fuel injection, albeit mechanical. Way, way, way ahead of its time. Now, it's kind of, I guess it's kind of ironic that I'm driving this morning, because me and this car are exactly the same age. Okay, we have no air conditioning in this car at all, and it is a hot day. It's 30 odd degrees, humidity is very, very high. We've had nothing but rain for the past few months. It is dry now, but because it's drying up and it's so hot, the humidity is crazy. And right in the manual as well. Look at this steering wheel though, look. I love these things. I mean, this huge skinny steering wheel. But it's actually a work of art. It is absolutely beautiful. It really is. The condition of this car, as you can see, is just fantastic. Now, it drives like an old car. You've got to be a little bit more careful. Judge your braking distances a little more. Judge your distance between the vehicles in front a bit more, because you know that, if you're on a hill, you want to try and keep going, because standing starts in this thing are not the best.
Right onto West Kowloon corridor, Route 5.
Okay. Oh, we're going on this last bit here before they tear it down. This little tunnel here actually goes through, well, it used to go through a building. Most of the building's demolished now. Don't want to be going too fast. It has been raining. The road surface isn't the greatest. Now, it's always a pleasure to drive these. They're rare as hell to find a manual. I mean, God, I remember the last time I drove a manual one of these. I mean, literally all of them have been, we're on the right lane anyway. Yeah, literally all of the ones I've driven previously have been automatic. I'm hoping we get there before any rain comes down, so I'm pretty sure that without the aircon and get a load of rain, this thing's going to mist like anything. I just know that from experience, Oh, MPH speedo. So it has been changed. Oh, we may fail for that. Well, we'll see. Will they notice it or not? I do not know. They probably will. Now, I thought guy's got to do a good video here, and it's very difficult to do so driving a car like this in Hong Kong. You know, it's a wonderful piece of kit. As I say, it's way ahead of its time in the 1960s. I totally do enjoy driving these. I prefer to be doing it on like a, you know, like a Sunday morning drive or something, as opposed to something so hot. As opposed to during the week when there's quite a bit of traffic, albeit it is lunchtime, so you're not actually not suffering too much. Okay, so we're on the Chingy South Industrial Estate. It's where the or right round the other side is where they now have the new roadworthiness testing facilities. So it's a bit of a drive, but it's actually the first time I've had the car out on the road. So it's kind of like a good test as well. See how good the car drives, and actually I'm very surprised it drives fantastically. It doesn't feel like it's all over the road or anything like that. I mean, I do feel set up, and you know, I've seen me in my other videos on leaning back. You know, this is like an old car. It's a great car. And we're able to make progress. It feels like an old car, but it doesn't feel as old as some of the classic cars I do drive. You know, it feels like a lot more modern than an E-Type, for example. Mind you, the power steering helps there as well, for sure. So this car, how do I feel? What do I think about it? I think it's great. Let's say it's the same age as me. So kind of, we're buddies, you know. We were like born at the same time. We could have been brother and sister, depends on how you look at your cars. And I always feel privileged to drive cars like this. It's one of the advantages of my job. It really is. And so I get, you know, this old time stuff. I do a lot of 60s cars actually. A lot of Mustangs, quite a few SLs. And things like that. Hi. Right. 12.
May I see your license, please? Yeah, very nice your car.
Yeah.
May I see it?
Yeah.
You go to 12.
Yes.
12.
Yes. Yep. Right here with the buses. Yeah.
12.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
See? Even the ladies love this car. Well, the old ladies anyway.